Namaste and hello friends. Now today's lesson is about how to strike beats and press strings on fretboards. So now this is very beginning guitar lessons from zero level. You must strike and press a string properly to ring it clean and free. Press the string by the tip of your finger and fingering the string just behind the fret will produce a clean and ringing note. It also helps to bending the string with little effort. And now, right way to strike the beat. You may not found this in books or any guitar classes or videos, but how I feel is the beat should be in balance, like in the drums or other instrument. They have two or more parts to strike the beat to a specific note. So what we have to do is just separate the string in two parts to make a balance in sound or beat. Upper three bass strings and lower three bass string. Upper three bass strings and lower three treble strings. The upper three bass strings should strike by your thumb and lower string by your index finger. The sound rings from the upper three string by thumb is D, and the index finger is I. So in return manner, it is like so. So the beat is like so. So, hoping you have got today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and comment me. And please check the description box down below for more.